Welcome to EDU Aero classes. In this tutorial, we will learn about various types of polynomials, that is monomials, binomials, trinomials, and we will also discuss about the degree of polynomials. A polynomial can have any number of terms. Polynomials having only one term is called monomials. For example, 2x, 2, 5x cube minus 4x square are all monomials. Now, binomials. The polynomials having only two terms are called binomials. For example, x plus 1, x square minus 2, y to the power 30 plus 1 are all binomials because in each expression there are two terms. So, these expressions are called binomials. Similarly, the polynomials having three terms are called trinomials. For example, x plus x square minus 2 is a trinomial because there are three terms in this expression. Another example is 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is also a trinomial because there are three terms in this expression also. Now we come to the degree of polynomials. Now look at the polynomial px equal to 3x to the power 7 minus 4x to the power 6 plus x plus 9. Here what is the term with highest power of x? It is 3x to the power 7 is the term in the expression with highest power of x, and the exponent in this term is 7. The exponent of x in this term is 7. So, the highest power of a variable in a polynomial is the degree of that polynomial. Here, the degree is 7 of this polynomial. Now, let us take another polynomial, that is 5y to the power 6 minus 4y to the power 2 minus 6. Here, the degree of polynomial is 6 because the term with highest exponent is 5y to the power 6 and the exponent of y of this term is 6. So, the degree of this polynomial expression is 6. So, we write here degree is 6. Now, you are thinking that what will be the degree of a non-zero constant polynomial? Let us take example like 2 is a non-zero constant polynomial. Then the degree of this polynomial is 0 because we can write this as 2 into x to the power 0 and the exponent of 0 is the exponent of x is 0, so the degree is 0. So we can say that here the degree of a constant or the degree of a non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Now we will see different types of variables according to their degree. Now first is linear polynomial. The polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. For example, px is equal to 4x plus 5 is a polynomial of degree 1. Similarly, qx is equal to 2y is also a polynomial with degree 1. So, these are the examples of linear polynomial. Now, quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. For example, 2x square plus 5, 3x square plus x are the polynomials with degree 2. So, they are called quadratic polynomials. So, we can write here the general term for quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c, where A, B, C are constants and x is a variable, and A does not equal to 0. This is important because if A will be 0, then this term will become 0 and it will convert into the linear polynomial. So this should not be 0. Now cubic polynomials. The polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. For example, 4x cubed 2x cubed plus 1 are the polynomials of degree 3. So they are called cubic polynomials. And the general form of cubic polynomial can be written as ax cubed plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c, d are constants. You have seen the polynomial with degree 1, 2 and 3. You can also write a polynomial of degree n. So the general form is an x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 up to a x plus a0. This is the general form in one variable where a0, a1, a2 are constants and an is not equal to 0. If a0, a1, a2 are all equal to 0, then the polynomial become of degree 2 and when a0, a1, a2 becomes 0, then the polynomial become a zero polynomial. And one thing that is important to note is the degree of zero polynomial is not defined.